In this class, I have three groups of students, and I want them to see only the work that each, I said group, actually, I mean section. I have three sections of students, and I want to see the students to only be able to see the work that is for their section. I have an orientation with a page for everyone to see. Week one classwork has an assignment for everyone, another assignment for everyone. They have some due dates and points attached. And then I have three assignments that are for each of my groups, the bluebirds, the butterflies, and the hummingbirds. And then in week two, there's an assignment for everyone. I'll just briefly show you that the sections are here in settings, and then there's a section of that called sections, and I can put my students into that one. And I'll show you from the teacher's point of view. I can go in from settings, I can go to the course calendar and find that my calendar looks like this. I've got the those assignments. Here's an assignment for everyone, another assignment for everyone. There's the assignments for each of the three groups on that Friday, and then in week two, another assignment. These other things are events where I want them to show up for the students on their to-do list and their calendar. Let's take a look at those. So this is the student view, same class, but from a student's perspective, where I have an orientation. You can see the page for everyone to see. You can see the assignment for everyone, another assignment for everyone, due October 13th, October 15th, and then an assignment that is due for hummingbirds only. And he is a hummingbird. Now remember that on the teacher's view, there were those three, one for bluebirds, one for butterflies, one for hummingbirds. But as a hummingbird, this person only sees the hummingbirds assignment. And over on my to-do list, I have an assignment for everyone, another assignment for everyone, a hummingbirds only assignment there on that Friday, and then in week two, an assignment for everyone. So then I can see that on the student's calendar, it looks the same. So I've got an assignment, a hummingbirds assignment, and another assignment, but no breakout groups for RTIs. So let's go do a breakout group. Now I'm on the teacher end, and I've gone to settings and then over to course calendar, and I'm ready to make an appointment for all this week. In fact, let's just go this, yeah, no, I'll do it in this week. This is a 10 a.m. appointment for all the kids, so I'm going to go more options for all the students who are hummingbirds by nature. So hummingbirds RTI group, and then I'll paste in some information with the link that I want them to go to for their live session as hummingbirds. I do want to use a different date for each section. So hummingbirds, you guys are coming in on, well, I mean, everybody's going on that date, but here's the interesting part is that I do choose a different time. So they're going to be at 10 a.m. And then I am going to duplicate this event so that this is happening on multiple days. Let's do every day for that plus 4 for the week and create an event. It says that not all the sections will be notified, and that's good. So I have a 10 a.m. on each of these days. In fact, I didn't want it to be on Wednesday, so I delete that iteration of the event. As a student, then I run over here and I do a refresh, and I have some new things showing up. I still have my assignments, but the events are a different calendar icon. And then if I'm on the event, I can go to the live session link because the teacher put it in there. And also, if I go back to this and refresh, I have some more to-dos. So now I have Hummingbirds RTI, October 12th at 10 a.m., and then October 13th at 10 a.m., and then an assignment. So I have events and an assignment coming due. Super briefly, if I have time, I'll show you one more iteration of that same thing, but on this week, I'll do a new event, and I'll do more options. And this is the Hummingbirds RTI again. I'll paste in that same live session link. And then I'll say we're going to use a different recording date. For Hummingbirds, it's going to be on Monday in that second week, again at 10 a.m. But this time, as I duplicate, I'm going to say it's every day for only 3 days, for only 3 additional occurrences. Create that event in order that I'm going to move this to Friday.